Hey guys, it's my birthday weekend and today we're gonna spend the day at the beach, have a picnic. One of the most beautiful, gorgeous beaches over in Carmel. One of the most prettiest beaches in the United States, in my opinion. Oh, Marcus just got home. I can hear the motorcycle. So we're gonna leave right now. But I also wanted to show you our new baby that we have. His name is Cadbury and he's a long-haired Chihuahua. Or, if like, Kingston says Chihuahua. Hold on, let me tell you how Kingston pronounces it. Come here. What kind of dog is Cadbury?
A chihuahua.
A what?
Chihuahua.
A Chihuahua?
Yeah.
A Chihuahua. Okay. Chihuahua. Come here, Cad. This is Cadbury. Come here, Cad. Come here, Cad. Of course, we all know Coco, but this is Cadbury Muffin. Yes. And he has this little wrap on. It has a woman's sanitary napkin, a pad on there because he's not fixed and he likes to lift his leg, but this keeps him from doing it. And if he does, then the pee just goes on the pad. So that's how we keep him from marking our stuff. Cadbury. With all this driftwood that has been washed up on the shore, Marcus decided he was going to make a fort for the kids, so he literally spent the whole time building this thing. Why you scream? Is it cold? So here it is, Carmel River State Beach. This is the riverside, and then just over that little mound of sand is the ocean.
Oh, who made this? Where's the king?
Someone's sitting in our fort that we just made.
Cha, 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 cha,
And they're sitting on the bench part that Daddy put in there.
Mama, tell Daddy. Mama. Tell Daddy, Mommy, okay?